Good morning. My name is Marc Chenn, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of SaltStack. 2.5 billion people use the internet, but you and I know that all of this cloud and web scale doesn't happen by magic. Behind the Internet of Everything are servers, data centers, and software that make it all work. Web consumers expect modern infrastructure to support massive scale and their always-on experience. Now, there are hundreds of millions of servers in the world today. With no automation, let's assume that one sysadmin can realistically manage 50 servers, assuming a 60-hour work week and unlimited 5-hour energy shots. This is a problem, and you and I know that the internet or their cloud is at risk. Servers need to be deployed and virtualized, and application stacks provisioned and configured to support complex production environments at scale. This complexity becomes a breeding ground for Murphy's Law. And things will break. When infrastructure breaks, sysadmins redeploy and reconfigure over and over again. Now, data centers are the factories of our time. Unfortunately, we have a new industrial revolution on our hands. Legacy systems and configuration management tools that were supposed to help typically make the problems worse. SaltStack exists to make the cloud assembly line fast and effective. And our clients and our customers are deploying legions of software-based minions to automate all the internet factory jobs that were supposed to be done, that nobody wants to do by hand anymore. Tom Hatch, my co-founder, was an assembly line worker building the internet one cloud at a time. He was fed up with legacy management tools that were too slow, too difficult to use, and not built to automate web scale. So he wrote Salt in his basement in February of 2011. He wrote it in Python as a very fast and flexible remote execution engine. And in 2 short years, it's exploded in popularity. Salt was built from the ground up to manage the complexity of physical or virtual server environments and the scale of public or private clouds like AWS, Google Compute Engine, or Rackspace. According to the 2012 GitHub Octoverse list, SaltStack was listed as a top 10 project for attracting the highest number of contributors. For perspective, we were listed right next to OpenStack on that list. About a year ago, after 2 successful commercial software exits and a stint on Wall Street, I was asked to join Tom as SaltStack's CEO and co-founder. Together, we make a unique blend of open and commercial software expertise. Today, our software is being used by massive application development organizations and thousands of DevOps pros from around the world to essentially build and maintain a better internet. Early adopters include companies like LinkedIn, HP Cloud Services, and Hulu, amongst hundreds of other first movers. Before I wrap up, I'd like to share how SaltStack, an open source software company with 15 employees, intends to continue to build out its commercial model and its open source community. First, SaltStack is 100% open. Second, our platform is entirely agnostic. We run on any cloud, any infrastructure, any OS or hypervisor. And third, I'm pleased to announce today that SaltStack's enterprise software, its enterprise license, is available today commercially. In conclusion, SaltStack is modern automation for the modern infrastructure. SaltStack has a substantial opportunity in front of us. We're growing rapidly, we're hiring selectively, and today I'd appreciate your vote for SaltStack. Thank you very much.
Thank you, SaltStack. It was great learning more about what you guys do. Judges, a 10, a 7, and a 9. Wow, a 10.
So
does your sister work there or something?
Very intriguing value proposition here with a grassroots adoption. I mean, this project has come out of nowhere with Chef and Puppet widely regarded as popular tools in the segment with hundreds of contributors. So a lot of momentum behind it, I think, is very intriguing. Some of our portfolio companies are using this. We've heard wonderful things, obtaining server to admin ratios at hundreds to 1, which I think is fairly compelling. So intrigued to find out more about how you turn that open source project into now a commercial business. Nice job.
Great, thank you, SaltStack. Last but